Hello everyone, welcome back at Literature Hub. In today's video, we will discuss some important MCQs from the play Silence the Court is in Session by Vijay Tendulkar. So question 1 is that Vijay Tendulkar was born in 1927, 1928 or 1930. So right answer is 1928. Tendulkar has died in 2008, 2007 or 2005. So right answer is 2008. Vijay Tendulkar received Padma Shri Award in the year 1988, 1984, 1985. So right answer is 1984. Silence the Court is in Session is dash play Hindi, Punjabi or Marathi. So it is Marathi play. Silence the Court is in Session first performed in 1967, 1968, 1969. So right answer is 1967. This play was written for Rangayan Theatre Group in the year 1964, 1963, 1962. So right answer is 1963. Who has translated the play Silence the Court is in Session into English? Khushwant Singh, Priya Adarkar, Vijay Tendulkar. So right answer is Priya Adarkar. The play is divided into dash acts 4, 5 or 3. So right answer is 3. The play Silence the Court is in Session is diasporic, detective, political satire. So it is political satire. Who is the central character in this play? Miss Leela Benare, Sukhat mein Professor Damle. So Miss Leela Benare is the central character in this play. What is the profession of Miss Benare? Lawyer, doctor or school teacher? So, right answer is school teacher. Who is the social worker in this play? Sukhat mein Mrs. Kasikar, none of them. So, right answer is Mrs. Kasikar. Mr. Kasikar plays role of dash in the play Silence the Court is in Session, lawyer, policeman or judge. So right answer is judge. In this play, Miss Benare is seduced by Sukhat mein Professor Damle or Samant. So right answer is Professor Damle. In the court session, Miss Benare is accused of committing murder, infanticide, none of the above. So right answer is infanticide. Mr. and Mrs. Kasikar represent dash class society in this play, upper, middle or lower. So they represent middle class society in this play. Priya Adarkar translated this play into English language in the year 1975, 1974, 1978. So right answer is 1974. The BBC showed English version of the play Shantata Court Chalu Ahe, filmed by Gajendra Ahe, Vijay Gokhale, Satyadev Dubey. So right answer is Satyadev Dubey. The play Silence the Court is in Session is based on Frederick Durmant's novel Die Ferne, The Visit, The Physicist. So right answer is Die Ferne. Frederick Durmant is dash playwright, Australian, Swiss, American. So right answer is Swiss. Who played the role of an experimental theatre actor in this play? Sukhat mein Kanik, none of them. So right answer is Kanik. Who played role of interfaith scientist? Rokde, Samant, Fongshe. So right answer is Fongshe. Who is the chairman of SMTPA? Mr. Kasikar, Professor Damle or Rokde. So right answer is Mr. Kasikar. In this play, witness takes oath touching the Oxford English Dictionary, Bible, Bhagavad Gita. So right answer is the Oxford English Dictionary. Who adopted Balu Rokde, Miss Banare, Mr. and Mrs. Kasikar, Professor Damle? So right answer is Mr. and Mrs. Kasikar. Who played role of lawyer in the play Sukhatme, Rokde or Samant? So right answer is Sukhatme. Samant is dash young man, cruel, friendly or ugly. So Samant is friendly young man. The play ends with the song of grieving dash who is left homeless, nightingale, sparrow or skylark. So the play ends with the song of grieving sparrow who is left homeless and alone.